Hi, and welcome back to Reflect with Catalyst. In the last 1 month, we have seen unprecedented challenges and our lives have been thrown out of gear. These days, our lives revolved around Zoom meetings, Dalgona coffee, Corona updates, homeschooling, and catching up with friends and families online. This pandemic has been the hardest challenge that the current generation is experiencing, and coming to terms with changes of this magnitude can be difficult. Shock and disorientation are very typical initial reactions, which is followed by anger and other emotional outbursts. After that comes a stage of coming to terms with the new normal, and then comes acceptance and moving forward. I hear a lot of people talking about wanting to go back to normal lives. But what is normal? Did that work for you? Weren't we complaining even then? Lack of work life balance, long commute, carbon footprint, lifestyle diseases, and whatnot. We have come to realize that the most valuable thing in our life is the health and safety of our loved ones. Now, life has thrown everything off track, and we have been forced to discover new ways of communicating and working. Organizations have realized that long distance travel is not required for conducting meetings. People have become more productive working from home. Mindless spending has been done away with, and technology is now the king. A month down now, it's important for us to acknowledge that the normal that we knew was not optimal. The normal that we knew has changed for good. Meeting friends at a pub or going for movies is not happening for a long time. Your homes are the new classrooms. Indeed, I see designer masks as the new trend already. Look at it as an opportunity. Look at it as a once in a lifetime chance to create your own new normal. Think about it. Even after the lockdown is lifted, how do you want to take care of your and your family's health and safety? How do you want to set a routine which is more productive and less draining? How do you want to have a better work life balance? How do you want to ensure you make time for exercise? What would you do to contribute your bit for the environment? We all know the kind of impact that humanity has had on the environment, and it's high time we wake up and do something about it. Especially if you are in a position to take decisions which can impact the lives of your colleagues or employees. This is your chance to create an enabling new normal. Think about it. Visualize your new normal and embrace it. I would love to hear your thoughts on the new normal. Do share or write back to me on what do you think about this. Reflect with Catalyst. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on like and share it with your friends. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel for more thoughts to reflect on. Goodbye and see you soon.